Hey, this is Anthony, the Chief of Staff at the Appliance Doctor, and we are celebrating our 40th year. But we are looking for experienced technicians, and we are looking for apprentices. If you have a good attitude, if you have a good personality, we could teach you how to fix appliances. But we need a team player. This is a team. The Appliance Doctor has created a family atmosphere, and we have 6 employees that have been with us over 20 years. So I consider that to be a family. And so we are looking for people who want to join a family, who wants a career, and want to maybe change paths. You may have experience, and that's great. And you may be good with your hands, and we could teach you the appliances. Please give me an email, send me an email and your resume at ApplianceDoctorX45@gmail.com. That's ApplianceDoctor is DOCTOR X45@gmail.com. Thank you, and have a great day.